And anyway, racing to the final point race. Don't forget to podium racing to follow. This amazing, and of all the stars will take them to the first. Albert Jones in second. The classic Euro will pick up in third. All the leaders are over. Classic Euro was the quickest. Carrigale has refused at the first. Carrigale out of the race in fence 1. Meanwhile, the remainder go up the hill. With of all the stars being allowed to make it an easy lead here. And you wouldn't say they're exactly flying. Albert Jones, who lies 4 lengths off the lead. Distant Sound is close to the pink. Classic Euro with red and yellow. Cambridge Classic Euro. Tiger Lily Rose was far from perfect.
Not mine.
And they ran to the open ditch for the first time. Of all the stars, Champion OK, Robert Jonesy and Distant Sound. Behind them, Classic Euro. And again, Tiger Lily Rose is not fluid. Right at the back, Tiger Lily Rose following Michael Poacher. And Shaq the Batch. So they travel down the far side for the first time. Still an uncontested lead of all the stars. Still continues to lead, and there's probably about 5 lengths clear now of all the stars. From distant sounds, who completely outjumped Albert Jonesy. Classic Euro is races outside Albert Jonesy. And then a break right to the cheap pieces aboard Michael Poacher. Then Shaq the Bunch on the outside. On the inside, Danny Maggs. And still Tiger Lily Rose brings up the rear. In a manner of speaking. Just about to make the swing back towards us. Of all the stars, jumps in well enough from Albert Jonesy, Distant Sound, Classic Euro. Shaq the Bunch taking the outside route. Danny Maggs going down the inside. They don't know a slight peck Tiger Lily Rose. The lead. Still with them all the stars. Comes into this what will be the second last next time. Huge jump by of all the stars. Very green up front. From Distant Sound in second. Albert Jonesy near the screws in the purple. Danny Maggs taking a strong grip with a sheepskin nose on the inside. And then Mike Poacher. Outside Classic Euro. Tiger Lily Rose. Of all the stars, we'll tow them around this bend. Still, no one's bothered to hassle of all the stars. They left him alone. He's allowed to make his own pace. Danny Maggs has travelled well up to now and has disputed second with Distant Sound. Shaq the Bunch moving up close to the edge in the 2 shades of blue. Albert Jonesy still travelling well into the bridle as well in the purple. A little break then to Michael Poacher. Classic Euro who's lost ground. And Tiger Lily Rose yet to make it out of the last position. Just a pat on the neck from the leader of all the stars. Really enjoying yourself out there. Danny Maggs now goes into second and lies just 3 lengths off the lead. Of all the stars jumps in from Danny Maggs in second. Distant Sound over in third, then Albert Jonesy. Classic Euro jumped out last and didn't jump very well either. Over ditch for the final time. Of all the stars, fluid. Now being chased by Danny Maggs, Distant Sound reached for it in third and the 2 leaders beginning to pull away. Shaq the Bunch is fourth, Albert Jonesy is fifth. Tiger Lily Rose 6th, Michael Poacher solid on walk, and looks as if Classic Euro is being pulled out. As the leaders go across the back for the last time, of all the stars, the pursuer now is Danny Maggs, gradually eating into this lead. of All the Stars jumps in, now just by 2.5 with Danny Marks. Distance Sound just picked his third and line 10 lengths off these. Behind them, Shanks a Bunch of All the Stars jumps in. Well, Danny Marks wasn't foot perfect. He just has a little nudge. James Taylor leaving that fence as Matthew Barber kicks on. Aboard of All the Stars. Still can't get rid of Danny Marks. They've got 4 to jump. They still race some way clear of Distance Sound and Shanks a Bunch. At that again, the better jump. But Danny Marks is coming through on the inside, both under pressure. Danny Marks on the inside of All the Stars. 3 from home. Little between them. Of All the Stars has wrestled his way back to the front. With 2 to jump from Danny Marks, he's tried his best. Distance Sound is getting closer, there's got plenty to do. This is 2 out of All the Stars. Has just about made all. Now Danny Marks reached for it, he's very tired in second. And one thinks that Danny Marks won't raise another challenge. Of All the Stars, being driven out by Matthew Barber as they go to the last. Distance Sound is staying on, it goes into second, the race may not be over. Of All the Stars jumped it from Distance Sound who continues to stay on. Then Shanks a Bunch and Danny Marks as he race to the judge of All the Stars drifted. And drifted right across the course. With Distance Sound, they go together to the judge. Then Shanks a Bunch.
With his race.
Behind them, Danny Marks.
Did you see Danny Marks?
And the Trojan Tiger and Eagle. That ends the point of pointing, but we do have 2 pony races which I just hope and pray will follow very shortly.